Good morning, Kipsters. Happy Thursday. Today, your assignment is on No Red Ink, just like it has been all week. Once you click the assignment in Google Classroom, it'll bring you to this page where you need to click Log in with Google. After you do that, you'll see your email pop up, and then you'll click your email. Once you've logged in and you click the blue button, it'll bring you to the page that looks just like this. Tells you the same information. The assignment for today is Thursday 225 classwork. There are two topics: identifying coordinating conjunctions and punctuating compound sentences with fanboys, aka coordinating conjunctions. As normal, click begin and you will see the lesson and the practice. Always read through the lesson first. Go ahead and read through that lesson and then you can click the white X in the corner to X out. Then you'd go on to the practice. Remember to read each question carefully. Let's do an example. Highlight the coordinating conjunctions in the sentence. Yesterday, Gregory Goyle's car broke down, so we had to walk to the gas station. I know that so is the coordinating conjunction. It stands for the S in fanboys. So I'll click so, and then I'd submit my answer. Yay, I got it correct. Continue to go like this. Make sure you read every question. If for any reason you get stuck and you're not sure what to do, go back to Google Classroom and click on Helpful Tips Thursday 225. Once you get there, it'll look like this. Here it outlines all the conjunctions and also shows you a few examples with each conjunction. Read through them. It'll definitely help you if you get stuck. I also linked this video to show you how to get logged in, just in case you forget. All right. Good luck, Kipsters. Have a good day and do your best.